Hello everyone, welcome to Utkal Study Point. In this video, we will discuss daily current affairs of 27th and 28th November 2021. Let's start. First question: which country has recently signed a submarine deal with new defense alliance with the US and UK? The right answer is Australia. Australia, UK and USA formally signed agreement on nuclear submarine. It is first agreement on the technology to be publicly signed since the three countries announced in September the formation of defense alliance. Next question: which ministry has recently launched India's first virtual science lab for children? The right answer is Ministry of Science and Technology. Union Minister of Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh launched India's first virtual science lab for children under CSR Jigyas program, which will also connect studies with scientists across the country. Next question: according to IQ Air data, how many cities in India are among the world's 100 most polluted city in the year 2020? The right answer is 46 cities. According to Air data, in IQ Air data, India had 46 the world's 100 most polluted city in 2020. Air pollution continuously to be presented one of the biggest hazard to people across the world. Next question: who is the author of the book Cooking to Save Your Life? The right answer is Abhijit Banerjee. Indian born American economist Abhijit Banerjee has authored the new book titled Cooking to Save Your Life. Next question: in which of these states a 4-day Sagar Shakti exercise was organized in Creek sector of the Kutch Peninsula? The right answer is Gujarat. The Sagar Shakti exercise was held recently in Crook sector of Kutch Peninsula in Gujarat for 4 days. The exercise witnessed participation of the Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard with Gujarat Police and Marine Police. Next question: which of the following team has won Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy titled for the third time? The right answer is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu won Syed Mushtaq Ali Cricket Trophy for third time, defeated Karnataka in final by 4 wickets. The final match was played at Arun Jaitley Stadium in New Delhi. Next question: which city has achieved top rank in inaugural Sustainable Development Goal Urban Index? The right answer is Simla. Simla has topped the Niti Aayog's Sustainable Development Goal Index. Coimbatore and Chandigarh. Next question: when is the International Day of Elimination of Violence Against Women celebrated? The right answer is 25th November. International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against the Women celebrated on 25th November. Next question: the autobiography title Resolve Uniting Nations in a Divided World has been written by which diplomat? The right answer is Ban Ki-moon. The former United Nations Secretary General Ban Ki-moon written an autobiography Resolve Unity Nation in Divided World. Next question: who represented India at 13th ASEAN Summit? The right answer is M. Venkaiah Naidu. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu represented India at 13th ASEAN Europe meeting on November 25. Next question. Recently, who has launched a new scheme named Bharat Gaurav Yojana? The right answer is Indian Railway. Indian Railway has recently launched a new scheme named Bharat Gaurav. The center launched a new segment in train service with the Indian Railway starting Bharat Gaurav scheme, under which anyone, including the private tours operator, will be allowed to take train on lease from the railway and run them on any circuit of their choice. Next question. Who is the author of the book Conversion? India's leading art historian engaged with 101 theme and more. The right answer is Brijendranath Goswami. Brijendranath Goswami, the former vice chairman of Sarabhai Foundation, written the book Conversion, India's leading art historian engaged with 101 theme and more. The right and next question. The fifth World Congress on Disaster Management was held in which recently? The right answer is New Delhi. The next question. Who wrote the book titled Contested Lands, India, China and the Boundary Dispute? The right answer is Maruf Raza. A retired Indian Army officer, Maruf Raza, wrote the book titled Contested Lands, India, China and the Boundary Dispute. Next question. The cabinet has approved the continuation of the recently released National Apprenticeship Training Scheme for how many years? The right answer is 5 years. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has approved the continuation of the recently released National Apprenticeship Training Scheme.